We'll guide you through how to convert an Excel file to a PDF file. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel. So what I want to do is go and make this into a PDF. So to go and do this, head to the top left and go and click on File. And then on the left here, come down and you want to go and select Print. So at the top here, you can set the printer to Microsoft Print to PDF. This means we can go and save it as a PDF. Then we can get into the settings. You can choose what you want to print, whether that be the active sheet, which you've currently got selected, which is what I want. You could do your entire workbook, which would be all of the sheets, or you can go and select what you want to go and print. In this case, I'll just do active sheets. You can then go and choose if they're collated, and you can then choose the orientation. And what you can then do is go and choose the size of the page as well, choose the margins, and you can then choose if you want it to be scaled. If you've got a lot of data, this works well. In this case, mine all fits on one page easily. Then what we can do is click on print, or hit save, and that's it. As you can see, here it is. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.